Now there's something you don't see every day. A turkey riding a chicken. Skeeter, what is this?
We're here for the chicken race. Bucka bucka buck.
Skeeter, it was a chicken chase, not a chicken race. And that was over a long time ago.
But the fellas in the back, they said get out there for the chicken race.
Skeeter, you're the only one out here riding a chicken. Now what does that tell you?
I win the chicken race!
No, Skeeter, there is no chicken race.
No. Hey! You fellas lied to me! They lied to me and tried to make me look like some kind of idiot!
Skeeter, you're about as close to an idiot as you can get.
How about now? You gotta be careful about getting that idiot on you, folks. It's real hard to wash that idiot off.
Very funny. Skeeter, get over here. I gotta say, that is one huge chicken. Has he got a name?
He does. Nugget.
You named your chicken Nugget?
That's right. He's one of 6.
And Nugget is here as a racing chicken?
That's right. All you gotta do is show him a bucket of original recipe and he goes flying like the wind. KFC! Yeah!
Well, since there's no chicken race, is there anything else he can do?
He can dance.
A dancing chicken?
He is poultry in motion. You want to see him dance? Of course you do. Can I get some music up in here? Hit it! Easy, Nugget. All right, Nugget. Here we go. Let it go for a minute. Easy. Work. Woo! Nugget. Calm it down, Nugget. Nugget, calm it down. Nugget, calm it. Whoa!
Skeeter, what is this?
Well, I hope it's a boy. Hey, let go of my ego. We gotta get going.
Where are you going in such a hurry?
We gotta go cruise the strip.
Cruise the strip?
That's right. When you go to rides like this, it's easy to pick up chicks.
That's Skeeter and his chicken Nugget.
Oh!